The current world event stops your team and client from working in office? Are you equipped and ready to manage your team working from home? To put a plan together, you need to first list out your current projects and their plan. You need to keep track of who will be doing which task. You need to track everyone's progress. And you need to monitor the overall status to make sure you meet the target. BisZinc can be of assistant. Two of our main features, knowledge management and project management, can help you plan, assign and monitor in a single, easy-to-use tool. We help your team work together easier now and into the future. Once you have BisZinc set up, you can sit back and monitor. BisZinc will keep your plan organized and alert you of any risk. BisZinc reporting tools allow you to stay on top and address issue before they become a problem. Our manager view is located on the dashboard. The report contains a summary status of your projects and utilization of your staffs. We also highlight area of risk and your team resources deployed per client. Our tool helps you get your workflow documented with clear assignment. You can monitor every project result and reuse these process in future project. There's very little upkeep for your member. They need only to update their progress with one click. No timesheet or report required. To start using BisZinc, you need to get some data ready by capturing the list of clients and projects you are currently working on. Creating project and task is child play. Add task and subtask to describe the job is all needed. We need only very little data to start. You will be good to go in minutes. Once you get the basic project set up, you need only to assign them to your team. BisZinc automatically schedule every task. Your team will see all their to-do from the dashboard. Plan, assign and monitor. That's all you need to do to get your work organized. BisZinc work for you to get your work from home set up together. Quick and easy.